If you have a classic Fujitsu air conditioning split unit like this one, you may be wondering how to get the cover off. That's the cover here, this large section. It's supposed to lever up easily, but that's not always the case, and I'm going to show you how to actually remove that in case you need to clean it, or in our case, paint it. So, I'll take it off. There are two hooks at each end, two small hooks at each end, and they have to go in these little holes at the top. So you hook them in there first, like this, hold the thing horizontal, and so they go in at the top, like that, on that side, both sides. And then there are two tabs, two small tabs where my finger is, that have to hook under this and then go sideways into a hole here. And that's actually what releases and gets stuck when you try to take it off or put it back on. And then it's the same at the other end. So lower it down gently and they'll crash into that. So you have to prise it apart with your fingers a little bit so that it can clear that on both sides. So we pull it apart just a little bit so it can clear those bits of plastic. And it goes snap like that. Hopefully I didn't break anything. Let's try it. Oh, it's jumped off. So I've got to put it back up on the little holes. Like this. Yep. And then lower it back down. So again, pull it apart a little bit, and then it slides back down to its closing position. It doesn't join up yet, so you've got to give it a bit more of a pull apart on the sides and a push in. Like that. And that side too. So then that's closed. To get it off, you reverse that. You've got to put your fingers on both sides into this gap here and just prise that out a little bit on both sides, and they come away. But it's still stuck, so then you need to put your finger under the lip and pull it apart from the clip down here, and then they both release. So it's a reverse, you just lift it up and away from the side, but you have to prise it apart at the sides to lift it off like that, and then lift it up gently, don't break the little arms, and it's off. Okay, that's how we do a Fujitsu cover replacement. I'm going to pull these filters out, lift them up at the front, and then slide them out gently and wash them off. So put them back, you just reverse that process. Be careful of the little veins here, you don't want to get paint on them or damage them, because that's where the air conditioning actually happens. So push that right back up and then clip them into the little holes at the front.